Good morning, my friends and family. Today is, what is today? The 17th. And we just have to finish what we started, right? We gotta finish everything we started, which was Chevy Silverado and the VW and the RZR. We have to finish. So let's go to the back and see what's going on with these guys. But do me one favor before you do anything else. Subscribe, comment, like, share, do your thing. Help me get 1,000 subscribers. That's all I'm asking for. But if you don't want to, just come along with the ride and we'll see what's up. Cool. All right, before we go back to the back, it's your boy Christian. What's got there, dog? You got the noodles?
Yeah.
Got your noodle game? Noodle game on point. Let's go to the back. All right, man. Look at this. The boat is back. Is it on enough? Go what? Yeah. Is it enough? This thing is sick, man. You guys remember seeing this bench earlier? It was all brown. Now it's powder coated. What is this stuff called? Rhino liner. It looks nice. What else we got here? The RZR. The truck's going home. They finished the visors. She's going home today. Truck from yesterday. This is the truck from yesterday we had to finish up. As you can see, the new guy's on it. What up, man? Good morning. Oh snaps! The JL logos are on. These are the new M8. No, M6, but the 8-inch. Bro, they're supposed to be loud. I can't wait to hear them. Dang. Look at them, man. Take this off. They look good. Alright, so this truck right here, you guys heard it yesterday. Hell, it sounds like it's fucking breathing dragon fluid. So he says he got a Wellbro fuel filter. Injection's gonna be ready to be turboed. This thing is gonna be fast. Watch it out for the tracks. Who you going after, bro? RC girl or what? This thing's a beast, man. Just so you guys can see too, look, in the back of the bed, it's ready for that NOS tank. It's right there. All right, big dog. Woo! This thing's a beast. All right, so that truck is gone. Let's see if it burn rubber away. Damn! Como de nada, wey. Like nothing. Like nothing. It burned the rubber. Why only one leg though? Only one side? Only one side, peg leg. Teamwork. You know where he got this from? Joanne's.
Well, he paid some pretty paid for this. He probably paid more for the vinyl than for the box.
Oh, but if he was gonna go get it over there, he's still gonna pay $60 for gas.
Not if you're driving on a Ford.
40. So my boy didn't like the noodles at all from the first one, so he's going round 2. Bro, tell him not to fuck with your breakfast, dude. Had to shoot some people. Bang, bang, cheaty, cheaty. Yeah, make sure that box fits so that way if not, I have to go get one.
I don't know. You put this on the rack right there, but the kid.
Oh, this is a nice Tacoma. Maybe he needs to get the lights. Did you show him the lights?
I'm gonna give you this customer.
I don't want him. He seems annoying.
He's super annoying.
Seems annoying.
That's why I'm giving him to you.
It's like in your face type of deal. Like he wants to be at Christmas dinner when he was not invited.
Yeah.
So talk to me about the bug, man. What's up with that bug? What year is it?
Stop.
What year is the bug?
55.
65-ish, maybe. This bug has 4 carburetors, man. Each throttle, each cylinder has its own, like, you know what I mean? It's crazy. That thing's one of the fastest, most reliable engines in the world. Just kidding. I don't even know if that was true or not. Look like you're having a good time there.
Oh, yeah. Finally got it.
Let's check out the truck, my friend. Is it gonna fit or what?
Yeah, it fits.
Looks like it. Oh, it fits? Damn, son. Man, who's using the air? This is the box that's gonna go in here. We decided to go with 2 JL W1s. You know what I mean? For that truck. Customer had his own kicker amplifier. It was a 1200.1 kicker. And yeah, see how it sounds good. Bam. All right, Joe's Customs just got his Audio Frog speakers in. Let's go show Junior what we got.
TV 15s and baller status.
Oh, let's see Junior's face.
Baller status. I like your style, bro.
You like my style?
Yeah.
Oh, Anthony's fault. We got 309 GB15 Audio Frogs. Let me show you guys these beautiful speakers. So you can be in awe with me.
I guess I ain't watching no cars today.
Oh no, you're gonna have to watch cars to pay for all this, man. Why were you? I'd go like, hey, I'm gonna go get.
Bam! Custom in this truck, custom box and everything. Now it's time to upgrade. Hey, is there room to add the battery?
Oh, we're adding a battery? Or
No, we're changing, we're replacing, but I was saying, is there room to add instead of changing?
it says the battery's in the truck.
Yeah. It's not really room to add. Joe's Custom needs a bigger base and bigger battery.
Everybody can't afford Chevy, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the dash. The Sweeter's gonna go on the dash, right, Junior?
Yeah.
Battery already? Yeah, I have the
What about the camera, bro?
We're gonna add that later. He wants the one that goes in the glove and the handle.
Oh,
No, I don't have it.
glove box?
You gotta get the HDMI, okay?
You never get it.
It's installed on the display. Unless you want to send Christian to go pick one up real quick. All right, so Joe's getting the new speakers, new stereo. He's happy. JL Audio's on the way to check out this speaker. I guess I ordered the wrong speaker because we bought this RGB controller, right? And then here's the 8-inch speaker, but with no LEDs. See, the LED hole is empty. So we fucking up. We're messing up a little bit, mijitito. Anyway, that's your fault though, wait.
Huh?
That's your fault. You said there was gonna be lights. Ahorita vengan, JL, wait, they're coming.
No, on those, you have to buy the LED separately. But you can put RGB strip, LED strip.
Okay.
But he said to remove the.
Who said removable? Why? Ahorita ven en JL Audio, wait. What if he's gonna leave it? Wow, these things sound amazing. I just played that quick little second so you can see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post that, if the YouTube will let me have it, but yeah, it's all the song might come through. But look at this. Look at it. It looks so nice in here. I wanna live in there. It's like a club. Show! It's like a club, man. Club Luis Acosta. Club Acosta. cool.
Güey, tuve que ponerlo acá, güey. Y hacer un bracket.
Dang, that's the epicenter bracket too?
Trata de moverlo.
Turbo S sound system, right? So this is the new Turbo S. They're putting in, oh, they already put in the gel audio amplifiers and an epicenter with custom brackets that nobody else can do. Just you, Luis. Was it Luis? Did you guys see his custom yesterday that we posted? Man, that custom was clean, bro. Did you see it? Can you do my box match, right? Maybe he'll hook me up. But other than that, yeah, look at that. This looks good. Speakers on the bottom. You got the factory head unit. You got the rear gel audio 8-inch. So yeah, it's good. Oh shit, the patron came. Todos corren! Todos corren! So Javier's here. Everybody back to work! What's up, boss? Oh, got the Chromecast. This is how we get to see wireless video in the car. Hey! Dame la base. I got her. We got the kit. Javier, this is the wrong kit. Javier, it's the wrong kit. Supposed to be single din. Okay. All right, so we're in the back, so I can take off my little filter. Here you guys go. There's the kit. There's the Chromecast. Don't show nobody my tricks. And then the kit. Hey, dude, you made him get a single double din kit. Why? Huh?
Nothing in double din.
But it's a single din.
I don't like single dins because then they make you use the fucking metal bracket, and these stereos can't go with those metal brackets.
Oh, so you got everything figured out. You got everything figured out.
Yeah.
That's why you're the man. Ah!
I tried, bro. It didn't help out. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
It's alright. It's because I'm not Arab, dog.
Let me-
Put oil.
We're gonna draw some dots right here for the lipo, bro. Now they draw dots first.
That's fucked up, bro. That's gotta be live food.
That's how I was gonna go to, but
That's retarded, bro.
What?
The fuse blew from the radio and we can't get it to turn on, bro. You turn it? That's our problem today. Look. No
Maybe it's the fuse on the module.
No power. No module.
Turn the key on, guy. You're in accessory mode.
Bro, that's the constant. You should turn it on regardless.
Oh, you want power? Main power.
Yeah, you just run the wire to the switch over here.
You need another cable, dude,
For what?
to turn on this thing.
No mames.
You need a cigarette lighter. Go get one from next door.
Hot, bro.
It's not hot in that place.
Getting me in a bad mood. Yesterday.
For Joe having a car business, his thing is really dirty.
Bro, that's the last thing you work on. You should know this by now. All car installers' cars are all fucked up because we don't have time to work on our shit.
So the car wash guy has to have a fucked up car
Yeah.
because he don't have time to wash it.
Yeah, he washes everybody else's except his.
All right, player.
Bro, you should know that by now.
Oh, look at that ganja in there. Scoot, woo! Bro, his cup is growing weed. Look, it's all green.
a medicated cup.
Is there weed in there?
Probably like
That's mete, bro. Don't touch it. Look, it's all green. All right. Did you guys put the speakers in already?
Yeah.
How did the tweeters fit on top?
Good, perfect.
Man, I told you you were gonna be happy. You put in the audio frogs. I would just do it, man. You wanted to do it since day one.
Audio box?
Make sure when you go back to wherever you came from, tell them who the real salesman is.
Audio box.
Junior.
They're gonna be like,
Because Anthony's
there's this
fucking
guy
up.
over there where I work. The other place, he's a beast.
Yeah. Always forgets everything.
Hey, you can't have the good and the good all together. You have to have the good
can.
and the bad.
No.
Yin and yang.
You want to be the best? You gotta be the best.
I am the best. Nobody else can compare to me.
You gotta no. You're fucking up in those areas. Fix them.
Oh.
Yep.
If I made life easy for you, you wouldn't take it with a grain of
So
salt.
you want me to make a living hell out of your life too?
Sounds like we were doing that already. You know what I'm saying? I can't make it easy for you because then you'll get like lazy.
Yeah.
Ciao.
The CNC's gonna make me lazy.
All right, it's enough content for now. This right here, we're just checking out the. It's Bob from Snap-on.
Hi.
What's up, bro? You want to be on my YouTube channel?
YouTube?
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
You know what that is nowadays? All the kids rave about it.
I really don't know what YouTube is.
Jew is a tube.
Am I on?
Yeah, you're not live, but we're gonna edit it and record it later. Throw your shout out, but like, yeah, you want some tools? Come see me. If you're in the
And
Anaheim,
see me.
if you're in the Moreno Valley location and you need some tools, hit them up.
Thank you.
But you have to be a mechanic in the area. We don't give it to the willy-nilly. Right? It's not Sears.
Wow.
Right? Am I right or am I wrong?
No, that's true.
That's right. Better be a mechanic. Show me your license. Oh, the box is here. What is this for? But who's the sales guy? Not me.
What are we doing?
Sales professional. So got my buddy right here. What's it? Custom Plus. One of the best reps that we can ask for. You know, besides Rockford, it's okay. What else?
Kenwood.
Don't be scared.
Excellent.
It's just a camera. Joe, what do you think of the system, man? Tell him.
It's good.
Tell YouTube.
Sounds good. It's clear.
That's what's up. You got them audio frogs. You know, them Kenwood killers.
Kenwood killer.
I'm just kidding, Mario. But yeah, everything's good. What brings you over here, man? You talk with my. Can I talk with my camera? Stopping by. That's
Yeah.
cool.
No traffic, so I'm not waiting on traffic.
Yeah. I told this guy he only comes business when he wants to get out of traffic.
It's all green. He's gonna be a star right now, huh?
Hell yeah, bro! I'm gonna get extra views for Custom Plus. Don't you guys have a YouTube channel? So Joe's happy with his truck, right, Joe? Now we need an alarm. Get that remote start.
Yep.
I want a remote start on mine too, so bad.
That video, I need that.
All right, Joe.
All right.
Thanks. Hey,
See you later.
Friday, come do the cards.
How much I think I have one detail and I can come through.
Mine and Javier's. All right, so it's the end of the day. We got the Dodge Ram. Got his Halo installed. It looked nice.
Yeah, another Halo.
You sold a Halo?
Yeah.
Which one?
Mitsubishi.
Halo 9?
Yeah.
309 or 832? 259?
Yeah. Still a Halo.
2 Halos sold today. It was magical. It's like one came in, bam, another one came in, bam. Then I sold some speakers, bam. Joe, if you're watching this, I love you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, so it's the end of the day now, man. Hopefully, I can edit this and have it uploaded for you guys tomorrow around 7 o'clock. Every time I'm uploading now, it's going to be at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time every day for the next who knows when. Can you give us content for that long?
No, I'll be gone.
Shit. Christian's leaving us. Say goodbye to him next month.
I'll be back.
He's
next
gonna start
year,
a
though.
he's gonna start a Golf Star Wars channel. So follow that. All right, people. I'm out. Say bye, Sylvia.
Bye.